In this video, I'm going to go over an area of a rectangle and a triangle. So when we're finding area, basically it's asking how many little squares that are 1 unit by 1 unit are going to fit inside of our shape. And so here we're using feet. So basically it's asking how many squares that are 1 foot by 1 foot will fit inside of here. And I kind of think of just like how many Cheez-Its will fit inside, because Cheez-Its are a perfect square. So if I were to take my Cheez-Its and put them in the square, I can see that 9 Cheez-Its would fit inside. So I know that my area is going to be 9 feet squared. Let's say I didn't want to draw them, or I didn't want to have to count all of them. I could also use the formula area equals base times height, or you could do length times width. So here I can see my base is 3 and my height is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, which is the same thing I got when I counted them. All right, now let's work on a rectangle. So same idea. So this one I have a base of 2 inches and a height of 6 inches. So this time I'm trying to figure out how many squares that are 1 inch by 1 inch are going to fit inside. So again, I can take my Cheez-Its and put them inside. Make it look better. Okay, so I have my Cheez-Its in there. Oops. And so I can see that I have 12 Cheez-Its, or if I wanted to use the formula, I could see that it's 2 inches times 6 inches, and that would give me 12 inches. And so I know that it goes 2 across because it's 2 inches, and then it's 6 high because it's 6 inches here. Okay, so a triangle looks a little bit different, but still the same idea. I'm still trying to figure out how many Cheez-Its would fit inside of this triangle. So instead of laying the Cheez-Its over, I can see that if I draw a line diagonally through this, this is going to be the same size as this triangle here. So basically, when I'm trying to find the area of a triangle, I'm just finding the area of this entire rectangle, and I'm just going to cut it in half, because you can see that a triangle is just half a rectangle. If I were to extend this, and if it looked better, that would be a perfect rectangle right there. So the formula for find the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, or base times height divided by 2. Because basically, I'm just taking 3 times 5, which is 15. I can see there's 15 boxes here, or Cheez-Its. But I want to cut that in half because I don't care about the Cheez-Its over here. I only care about the ones that are in this part. So if I do 3 times 5, that'll give me 15. And then I'm taking only half of those because, again, I don't care about this half or this half down here. So my answer is going to be 7.5 inches squared, or 7.5.